How to turn off login notifications on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to turn off login notifications on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Facebook app on your phone. Make sure that you log into your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner and scroll down. So Setting and Privacy, now select Settings. From the Setting and Privacy section, select See More in Account Center. Scroll down, choose Password and Security. Now select Login Alerts under Security Checks and choose your Facebook account. You will access Login Alerts section where you need to make sure that you uncheck mark in-app notifications. Now you will want late or you won't know any login notifications on Facebook. So that's how we turn off login notifications on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.